Alright, today we're working on a 96 Impala. It's the LT1 motor. So it comes in the Buicks, comes in the Caprices. This one has an oil leak. It doesn't appear to be coming from the crank. I don't think it's coming from the water pump. I believe it's coming from the distributor that has a seal and an O-ring. This is the kit number. This is if you're pulling the timing cover. I'm not sure yet if I'm doing that to get to this small seal. I don't believe I'm going to do the crank just because, well, one, it's not leaking. Unless I have to pull the cover to get that one seal. And pretty sure I stripped the center bolt last time I did it to do the chain. So basically everything has to come off, drain the radiator, pull the hoses, pull the pump. I know part of this crank has to come off with these 3 bolts to get the distributor out. So I might get stuck at that point and then I have to pull it anyway. And if I do that, of course, I'll replace the seal. So yeah. So the air box will come out. All the hoses will come out. This is hold down, I believe, 4 or 5 times. That'll come out. The air pump on the side will come off. I don't think I have to touch anything on this side and on the bracketry. Of course, the belt will come off also. The lower crank is what's gonna be not fun. So this is how we'll start off. I'm not gonna run a continuous video of me just taking off lightweight stuff. We'll see where I get to a point where I have to pull that crank, which will be pretty rapid, and then we'll go from there. Again, this is the part number Felpro. This is a complete kit. So you have the timing cover itself, the water pump gaskets. I believe this one is the distributor. This one is the crank. This one is drives the water pump, and there's an O-ring in there. And that goes on the distributor. All right, wish me luck.
This is how legends are made.
Yeah, that is a lot of water.
Yep. Squeeze it, and when you squeeze it, go that way with it. Go towards the pipe, the skinny part, right? So then it falls over here on the pipe, and we can wiggle off the hose. Yep. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Now push it. Go that way. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle. Oh, it's all right. Do it again. The harder you squeeze it, the more it'll collapse, right? It'll get bigger, easier for you to come off. Now go up, up. There you go. That's all the way. Go, go, go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, look at that. Strong lady. There you go. You got it right there. Okay, let it go and reset. Do it again. You got it.
She got it halfway.
Yeah, she got it more. She's going to get it right here. There she goes. There she goes. You got it. Right there. Twist it. Almost off.
Should I
Almost
do the
there.
rest?
You can if you want to help her. Or you can help her when she's squeezing. Okay, go ahead.
Like that way?
Yeah, get both sides on there.
Okay, no, I can't.
Here, what happens? Let her squeeze it, and then you push it off.
No, let me squeeze it. I think I got it.
Hey, there you go. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. There, push it over. Watch your fingers. Push it, push it. You're good. Don't get scared. Just be careful. You get it?
No. You push it.
Here, push it with this, right, Isaac. When you get right here, push it right here.
No.
When she squeezes it, you push it that way. Got it?
When she keeps squeezing it?
Yeah, so she's going to squeeze it really, really good, and then you're going to push it off.
Wait.
Ooh, teamwork. I like it. Yep, push, push, push it. Not under, you're under it. You're not pushing it, Isaac. Here, hold the screwdriver this way then, look. Push it like this so it can't go under. Like this, not like
On
this.
the top?
Yep, like this. Tap. Like hold it that way. Okay, come on, Ray. You're almost there.
Okay, Isaac. I'm not. I didn't do it.
Squeeze it and bring it up to you, Ray. Oh, almost. Push, Isaac. Well, you're gonna get it. You're almost there. Yep. Oh, look at that. You're off. There you go. Dang.
It's because if you go that way, it's easy.
All the way on. So take that extension out. You don't need it. Yep. Pull that extension off. And you guys are quick.
Where is it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter right now. We'll clean
They
up
already
later.
got a bunch.
Yeah, right.
It's only been like 30 minutes.
It's pretty
Maybe
quick.
even less.
Yeah, I would say less. So under an hour and the water pump will be off.
That's what we're going for?
Well, that's nothing. There you go. All the way out. This one doesn't matter. Zip, zip, zip. Okay, you're done. Pull it out. Set it up over there with the screwdriver right there.
This one?
No, the one on the water pump. So only the gray one. There's another one right underneath it. It's three. It's a triangle. Nope.
No?
No. Let's see. There's another one back here.
Oh.
And then there's one right here.
Okay.
Get either one. Yep.
Got it. It's not on all the way.
Wiggle it around. Get it straight. There you go. That's it.
It's not.
Hit it.
See?
Okay, well, get it back on there. There you go. Careful now. So now, yeah, problem solving. I like it. Good job. Give it to brother. Rip off these other ones that are easy to get to, and then we'll worry about the hard one last. Or this one's gonna have the small pump come off.
Where?
These two. Bang, bang, and then there's one that's hidden down there. But we have to
So
pull
this
this.
one's
Yep,
on
yep. It's not on.
Oh.
There you go. Rip it some more. Rip it till it spins. There you go. Shake it off there. There you go. Problem solver. Pull this. Pull the. This is your problem. Just pull this back out. Here. Pull. Here, push it in. Now hold this. Oh, wiggle it. Left, right. Left, right. Like this. There you go. That's even better. Smart girl. Set it up there with the other
I
one.
still need that, Isaac. I'm just having you hold it.
Good assistance, Isaac. You'll do the hard ones after.
Me? Yeah. Okay. Where's the other one?
Underneath it. You gotta find it.
I see it.
Okay.
Right there.
Yep, there you go.
I think it's all on the way.
Well, as long as it looks
There it is.
straight. Yep, see? You'll know. Same deal.
Wiggle and pull.
Oh, you're lucky. You got it off. Woo, water. Good job. Guess we should have left the bucket there.
Could've.
Small pump bracket. Keep going. Oh, fell off again. I think the whole thing's coming out with the bracket.
It is.
All right.
Leaking too.
It'll be all right. It's part of the water pump. All right. Keep going.
The whole thing has to come out? Or
The
not?
bracket has to get out of the way. And that's what she's working on. Keep going. Okay, it's all loose now. Get it off your socket. Push on the bracket. Or that. Pass. There you go. Now see if you get the whole thing out of your way. Nice. Nice. Look at that. And that's your bracket for your smart pump. Good job, Ray. Okay. So now the water pump should be kind of loose.
What do I do?
Set that down. So on the back side of this water pump, there's a coupler because the water pump drives off of the time chain. So wiggle it, but try not to, it doesn't matter.
The silver part?
This big whole thing is the water pump. Yank it off. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pull, pull, pull. Let's see.
It's still stuck on there like a lot.
Okay, well sometimes we gotta smack it. We'll go find a rubber hammer.
Bink.
Gotta hit it kind of hard to see if it'll shake it loose.
Here, I got it. Okay. Don't smack me. Just put it back over here.
Oh, I think it moved.
It did.
So it moved some more.
It's leaking.
There you go. Vibration worked. All right.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh.
There you go. Pull it up. Pull it straight out. 2 hands.
You need me to
Oh,
hit it
grab a
more?
little bit at the bottom. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Top and bottom.
You need me to hit it some more?
No. Grab it from there and grab it from there. Yep. Pull up, pull down. Almost there. Slow. There you go. All the way out.
Almost got
Okay.
it.
There you go. Don't drop it. It's heavy. Sit down.
Oh!
That's fine. Let's look at the water pump. See how it looks on the back.
Wait,
So the seal looks good back here, and the driver looks good, not all tore up. I've seen them where these threads are gone, and we would replace it. And I've also seen where this seal comes out. That's good. I've replaced this water pump before, so I think we're all right. So now we're inspecting where this seal goes in, and looks relatively clean. If I was guessing, it's the distributor that's leaking, because if on the bottom the crank looked good. So we'll move on to pulling that.
We're almost done.
Okay, we got it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I put it right there?
Set it up on the top, up here.
It's kind of easy. Can I do the last one? Why is it doing that?
No, squeeze it. Put it. Hold it on there and squeeze it.
Turn it upside down like I did.
Hit it out. There you go.
There. Now take it out.
There
Now
you
me.
go.
It's hitting.
Just push down on the hose. Get it all the way on.
The hose is leaking.
Don't worry about the hose. Not all the way on. That's why it's doing that. All the way. Still not all the way on.
How?
Push it down. Go ahead, let it rip. There, see? Now you got it. Hit it, Skip. Alright. Good job, Freddie. Alright, we got the distributor out. Bolts down 3 times. If you could see, it's oily all around it, but pouring out the bottom of this thing. I'm like 94% sure that this was the issue. I'm not sure, don't know that it was the O-rings, but the kit comes with it. But I believe this seal is where I would guess it's coming from. It does look pretty dry, but underneath it's just, you could tell that this was the clear path of the oil. I don't believe it's coming out of this one. I believe it's this. seal right here coming down, or possibly the O-rings, but it looks dry. I don't believe it's the crank one, again, because it's not pouring from there. I really honestly believe, watch if I wipe this, that this is all fresh oil. Now I got it with a dirty rag. Let's see. Where everything else is like built up, but I don't know. Looks pretty dry. I'll probably just end up shotgunning everything. I'm not sure that I'm gonna do the crank. The crank I can always do separate, but definitely I believe it's coming from here just because of the amount of the oil that you see. All that. And I believe it ran from here there. I guess someone could argue that the crank one pushed it up, but I had cleaned this crank before doing this work to see if it was just the crank, and I don't believe it is. Alright, that's where we're at. Pretty good run with the kids.